Oh.
Hands off.
Yep. And this is flight 3 on our Wildfox vacation. It's flying the Cessna 150, 2-meter.
Yeah, it seems better. Flies hands off when flaps are up.
Huh. So you have to figure out why that one's lower than the other?
Wow. You want to stay on the water that time.
Yeah.
that. I didn't think it was ever going to get off the water. So I think it's still got performance issues. That bird coming in the view.
I have no idea. I'm watching the plane.
The big ass bird.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Could be an eagle.
Yeah, could be. I went up a little higher than I wanted to. Try to get up with it so you'd see it.
Yeah, I did get to see it. I don't know where it went now, but...
Straight over me.
Okay. Oh, I still got to follow the plane. But maybe when we look at this video on a bigger screen, I can tell for sure, but it did look like it could have been an eagle. I know there's quite a few here.
I think there's no one.
Yeah.
Touch Scout's nose with my wingtip. Yep.
He says, as long as you don't bite me with a prop.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
That answered a couple questions. If you like that, click like. If you really like it, click subscribe. That would be great.
Yeah. You can explain what the questions were?
Well, I'm having a left wing drop. And I kept trying to trim right. It wasn't enough. But I noticed that this wing flap here is down quite a bit more than the other one. It's acting like a flapper on, so I only use the flaps on that flight for takeoff and landing. But that last takeoff, boy, she rolled a long ways.
It did.
That's it. Wow. So I don't know if I got a weak motor. This plane's got, what would you say, probably 500 flights on it.
Oh, if not more.
I think it's, the motor could be getting weak. I don't know, but when they take that long to get off the water, something's wrong. Anyway.
Well, and the floats are pretty
Yeah, the floats are
well worn.
They're blown off crusty snow. We got packing tape on them right now, but yeah, the beaver battery, warm, just cold. 150 batteries, warm.
Yeah.
I'd give it everything it had, get off the water.
Yeah, that was weird.
Be that way.
All right. Thanks for watching, folks.